So we are so excited to share with you the Seagull Studio private patio for all our guests here at Seagull Studio. The grass is finally down. It's so exciting. So as we enter, you can see we have a fire pit where you can enjoy the end of the day, a lounger, and a great patio area where you can sit, have a cup of coffee or a tea in the morning, and even you could have your dinner here because we have our barbecue right over here. So maybe you just want to have dining al fresco. That's on the menu this evening. So we have in the corner back here, we have our bikes, so you can take those out for a spin. So I hope you enjoy this video about the patio, and we'll see you soon. Ciao.